Hi, my name is Billy Turnbow with Cisco TAC. In this video, I would like to show you how to create a multi-server SAN certificate in IAM and Presence. A multi-server SAN certificate is different than a single server certificate because it means only signing one certificate for your cluster instead of signing each node's certificate. To accomplish this, the multi-server certificate adds all node names as subject alternate names, and this one certificate is propagated through the cluster. There are two types of multi-server SAN certificates you will encounter with IAM and Presence. Multi-server Tomcat. This multi-server SAN certificate originates from the Communications Manager Publisher node and has all Communications Manager and all IAM and Presence servers listed as SAN certificates. Multi-server CUP XMPP. These multi-server SAN certificates only include the Presence subcluster nodes for the CUP XMPP service. In other words, Tomcat multi-server certificates should only be created from the Communications Manager Publisher, and CUP XMPP multi-server certificates can only be created from the Presence Publisher. Now, let's create the multi-server certificate from the Presence Publisher. From the OS administration, go to the Certificate Management screen under the Security menu. You can sort your results by entering CUP XMPP in the search field. Here you see that the CUP XMPP certificate is self-signed. In order to create a multi-server certificate, we need to first open the self-signed CUP XMPP certificate. Now from here, click the Generate CSR button. We now have the screen to create our CSR or certificate signing request. In order to make this certificate valid for all Presence nodes, we need to change the distribution to multi-server SAN. Once we do this, you will notice that the subject alternate name field changes from just the one Presence node to all Presence nodes in the cluster plus the Presence domain. Also note that the common name changes to the node name of the server with a -ms at the end, signifying that this certificate is multi-server. This name can be changed if preferred. In addition, more domains can be added along with changes to the key length and hash algorithm. Once complete, click the Generate button. Now we see that the certificate signing request has been created. We can refresh the page and see that an additional menu is available so the certificate can be downloaded. Let's do that now. The CSR file can then be opened in Notepad. Here is the full CSR that can be sent to the certificate authority to be signed. Your CA administrator will most likely just want the file itself. I'll take this value and paste it in my CA server to obtain a signed certificate. I now have the signed certificate here. We can open it in Windows and see the details. As you can see, the subject alternate names of all my Presence servers plus the Presence domain has been added. Also take note of the certification path. Typically, the signed certificates come back as a certificate chain with the certificate authority certificate added. In order to install the certificates correctly, we need to separate the signed certificate and then the CA root certificate from the chain. I'll demonstrate that now. Now I have both the signed CUP XMPP multi-server certificate and the CA root certificate as separate certificate files. We're ready now to upload them to Presence. Under the Certificate Management page, first we need to upload the root CA certificate as the CUP XMPP trust. If we don't do this, Then we'll see an error that a signed certificate can't be uploaded without the root installed. Repeat these same steps on the present subscriber. The publisher can push this out to the subscriber, but it's often better to perform it manually. Now we can upload the signed multi-server certificate on the Presence publisher. Notice there is an error stating that the certificate could not be pushed to the subscriber and that we will need to manually install it. If this happens, we simply perform the same steps on the subscriber node. After the page refreshes, you'll notice the placeholder for the CSR disappears, and instead we have our multi-server SAN certificate. All that's required to secure this change is an XMPP router reset on all Presence nodes. And that's all there is to it. Please search the Cisco Video Portal for more certificate videos on IAM and Presence. Thank you for watching.